The country music star is making us so emotional over this incredibly sweet moment. Years before Blake Shelton exchanged wedding vows with Gwen Stefani, he embraced sharing his life with the no doubt leading lady and her sons, Kingston, Apollo, and Zuma. And by the sounds of it, the God's country artist loves being a stepdad. Though fans of the couple have caught glimpses of their home life here and there on social media, the country music star recently shared never-before-heard details with Sounds Like Nashville about their first Thanksgiving together as husband and wife with the boys. In between coaching on The Voice and performing at the CMA Awards, Blake was determined to fulfill a special request from them. Gwen's kids insisted on having a bacon-wrapped turkey, and Blake wasted no time figuring out how to get just that despite his busy schedule. "It's happening," he told the publication. "There's no talking them out of it," based on the picture that they saw, which was the greatest picture you've ever seen. Before sharing this special moment though, Blake reflected on who inspired him to give his all to Gwen's children. "I don't know if it's as hard or harder or not as hard as being an actual, biological parent, you know?" he told Frogs The Ride with Kymo and Heather. "I have a stepfather in my life who's one of my heroes. I love my stepfather and I look up to him and he's like a father to me, so I have a good inspiration in my life for how to do this and the kind of stepdad I want to be. And I take it very serious." As folks may know, Blake and Gwen met on the set of The Voice back in 2014. According to Billboard, the two coaches began leaning on each other while they were both in the middle of high-profile divorces in 2015, Blake from Miranda Lambert and Gwen from Gavin Rossdale. After becoming close friends, Blake and Gwen eventually announced that they were a couple in November 2015. Most recently, last summer, the singers walked down the aisle over the 4th of July weekend. During the last handful of years, the two have shared many happy moments as a family, including Father's Day. Last year, Gwen paid tribute to Blake in a sweet Instagram, which she captioned, "Happy Father's Day to the most generous, patient, loving, funny guy I know, we love you so much at Blake Shelton GX." Something tells us that Kingston, Apollo and Zuma couldn't